Malapit nang matapos ang elimination round. Dalawang teams na ang pasok sa semifinals at inaabangan ang matinding bakbakan para sa natitirang slots sa Final Four. Pero bago ang semifinals action, makakapagpahinga ang mga paborito niyong players pagsapit ng Semana Santa. We asked them, what are their Holy Week plans?
Plans ko for Holy Week, if makapasok kami sa Final Four, so may game pa kami after. So, probably training or labas with the team. Basta sila pa rin kasama ko.
Bago matapos yung Holy Week, magta-training na muna and then, I guess, spend time with the family and then be able to go to the church.
Sir, sa Holy Week, if makapasok kami sa Final Four, may training pa din naman, so sa dorm lang. And yung mga days na walang training, maghahanap na lang ako ng pupuntahan, sir, sa mga bahay ng teammates ko or sa relatives ko dito since yung family ko naman nasa province. So,
I will spend it with my family talaga. Kaya kailangan i-enjoy namin yung every second, every minute, every hour.
Plans ko this Holy Week is depende sa coach namin kung makakauwi kami. Uuwi ako sa province ko sa Iligan City. And also, pag wala naman, training. Yeah, training.
Hopefully to go to the beach and just relax and maybe just spend time with my friends.
This Holy Week, I'm just planning on spending it with my family. We don't know where yet, but then what matters is I'm with my family.
Tapos na kasi yung season, so uwi ako sa family ko and pag ganong Holy Week, hindi kami gumagala talaga as in. Tapos as in sa bahay lang kami and hinifeel namin yung Holy Week na buo kami, buong pamilya kami. Wala kaming iniisip kundi kami lang ang family namin. So yun lang.
Sato, ano plans mo sa Holy Week?
Punta ako sa Japan, kita friend ko, enjoy ganon. Yun lang. Okay.
Sa darating na Holy Week, wala. Sa dorm lang, sa training, magte-training. Ayun lang yung plano namin ngayong Holy Week.
Yung plans ko for this Holy Week, syempre, is to spend time with my family since minsan na lang kami nakakauwi dahil season na.
Gusto ko kasama ko yung family ko and syempre si Lord, pupunta ako ng mass and yung magbibisita iglesia kami, ganun.